new in the City Collection by Belle Tress. This is Malibu in a scrumptious brunette called Mocha Maple Brown coming up. Malibu is a mid to long length, freshly layered shag style cut with a very light density and natural movement. But let's first examine this color. I know I've been waiting to explore some of the brunettes in the City Collection. Right now they do have a fairly limited palette when it comes to especially the brunettes and reds. So as a brunette lover, it's really important to know the ingredients in this Mocha Maple Brown. The code is a 627. Anytime you see a 27 in a color, you know that it's going to be warm, because a 27 can be described as a light auburn. It could be described as a strawberry blonde, but it's very, very warm and very golden. And that's what you're going to see here. The base color is more of a medium to deep chocolate brown, and then you will see those highlights of this lighter auburn color. So yes, indeed, this is definitely warm. And also, if you're familiar with a Cafe Collection by Belle Tress, this might resemble the English toffee. And I have an English toffee here. Here's the English toffee on the style Alexandria. And it's also a 627 code. So you're going to see that chocolate brown with some of that light auburn in there. And it's also a fairly warm color. And I can say that I think this feels a little deeper to me, like the base tone. But again, I won't know until I edit. But if you do like that English toffee in the Cafe Collection, I think you'll love the Mocha Maple Brown. It is not a rooted color. And remember, all of these Belle Tress styles can be found at Wig Studio 1 with an automatic 30% off at checkout. If you drop below the video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link for any of the featured styles today. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors, you can see the pricing, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to support at wigstudio1.com. This one has a temple-to-temple extended lace front and an extended left monofilament side part. A unique knotting process really gives it a nice natural hairline look. So you're going to find it a hand-tied lace front. Every other knot or so is tied in. So this gives you just a bit of a gradient in the thickness. So your density is going to be a little finer at the front than it is towards the back. That gives a nice natural appearance. And then the lace front, or the mono part rather, runs all the way back to the hind crown. The measurements make this style. It is a shag style cut. Lots of layering. The important ones that you're going to want to know the measurements for. In the front is a 7-inch fringe. I love that. As you see, I've just swept it over, kind of an up and over, and by repetitively sweeping it back away from the face, it feathers out and stays out of my eyes. Now, right out of the box, there is really no exaggerated lift there at the front. So you can definitely wear it flat over the forehead and framing the face. You don't have to have an up and over look. But if you want it, you can expose that beautiful lace front and it stays nicely out of the eyes. This is the heat-friendly fiber. So you could take any heat tools that you wish to your style. The total length on this one is about 16 inches, and that's going to put it a little bit longer compared to, let's say, the Santa Barbara style that I have a review on, and also the Montecito. So this at 16 inches is going to be about the same length as your Dalgona 16. And it might make a really nice sister style. I love how Belle Tress does their layering. Isn't just such a fresh look? A light density, no PERMATEASE. I'm not sensing any of that soft pillowy PERMATEASE in this. I don't know how they do it. They get body, sustainable body without PERMATEASE. It's a real plus for us. High quality, very natural looking cap, by Belle Tress in that City collection. There is the extended lace front that goes back to the ear tab or through the ear tab, beautifully contoured, and then seamlessly moves back into a very long extended left monofilament side part. Lots of parting space here, giving you a lot of variety in your styling options. A closed velvet ear tab, nice sturdy stays, an extended felted nape with Velcro style adjusters, lots of wefting. I think this is a traditional Belle Tress fit. It fits average but can stretch easily to average large. And then with the Velcro adjusters, I feel like I get a better fit for my petite average circumference. In the styling segment, I just want to move the hair around so you can get really familiar with the movement, the really light density, and the wispiness of the fiber. And I just want to let you know that out of the box, I just gave it a shake. I applied it. I woke it up just by swirling around. And then, like I say, those repetitive motions to keep the bangs out of the eyes. And this is what you're going to end up with. You must wake up this wig when you first get it. And when you decide you're keeping it, really give it a nice upside down shake. That's going to bring air into those layers. It's going to bring out that fluffiness, because otherwise it's going to look like it's stuck to the head. Now, a lot of you out there really like a lower profile, and you can definitely get this. Such a light density, no PERMATEASE. But if you want to fluff up those layers, you can definitely get that really sexy, flirty look out of this as well. It works extremely well with glasses. As we have found out, most Belle Tress styles are really friendly to full-time glasses wearers, or like me, the occasional reader glasses. Not so occasional anymore as I am aging. Thank you so much for joining me today. We'll see you again real soon on TAZSWIG Wig Closet.